Now conversion of the equation of a line from vector form to Cartesian form and its vice versa. So I have just meant two partitions have been done for the whiteboard. Now vector form to Cartesian form and Cartesian form to a vector form. Now let vector r is equal to vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda vector m be a vector equation of the line passing through the point whose position vector is vector A and parallel to vector M. A simple statement. Okay. Now let vector A is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap and vector M is equal to a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap. Now vector r is what? Vector r is equal to position vector of x comma y comma z. Now which implies vector r is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Okay. Now we can write it the equation, the components as, now vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda vector m. Now vector r, it is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap is equal to vector a. Vector a is this one, x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap plus lambda with vector m. Vector m is a1 I cap, a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap. Now to this what we can write it? Now to this we can write it x1 plus lambda a with I cap plus y1 plus lambda b with j cap plus z1 plus lambda c with k cap. Is it clear? So, and let me write like this only, y j cap plus z k cap. Now equating the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap. Now what we are getting? We are getting x is equal to x1 plus lambda a, y is equal to y1 plus lambda b and z is equal to z1 plus lambda c. Now what this becomes? X minus x1 upon a is equal to lambda, y minus y1 upon b is equal to lambda, z minus z1 upon c is equal to lambda. और x माइनस x1 अपॉन a इज इक्वल टू y माइनस y1 अपॉन b इज इक्वल टू z माइनस z1 अपॉन c इज इक्वल टू lambda. So vector form to Cartesian form. So now this is the required Cartesian equation. Now Cartesian form to vector form. Now this equation again to the vector form. Okay. Now let x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c is equal to lambda be the given equation in the Cartesian form. Be the equation of the line passing through capital A, it is x1, y1, z1 having direction ratios A, B and C. Is it clear? Now let vector A is equal to position vector of capital A and this is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap and vector m is equal to a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap. Now given line is parallel to vector m and vector form of the line, vector form of, let it be equation 1 of the equation 1, this is the equation 1, okay. Vector form equation 1 is vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda vector m. Now vector r is equal to vector a. Vector a is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap plus lambda with vector m. A I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap. Required vector equation. So we have converted Cartesian to vector, Cartesian to vector and vector to Cartesian. This is the vector equation, okay.